If you're looking for pickleball in Carson City, there's two main places to go. You have Mills Park and the Carson MAC. Arriving at Mills Park, from the parking lot, go across the bridge to the courts and open the gate. When you enter Mills Park, you want to go far down to the right-hand side, and here's where the beginners are. That's reserved for beginners. Exactly opposite that is called the challenge court, and that's where the advanced players want to one-up each other. Mills Park is awesome. There's so many great people and so many great games out here. In Mills Park, typically people are about a 3.0 or higher. I'd say they average about a 3.5 level. There is a paddle rack. They may not observe the paddle rack rules where you put your paddle in, and then when they play, they pull the paddles out, and when yours comes up, it's your turn. They may not adhere to that. So you just got to introduce yourself to people, or you can come to my Facebook group, which is Carson City Beginner Pickleballers, and I'll connect you with our WhatsApp group. We have over 30 members now, and you can get games very easily. You want to get there early. Some people get there as early as 6:30 a.m. I don't know if people get there much earlier. And then a lot of times people leave by noon or earlier for two reasons. One, the sun comes out. Two, the wind comes out. Sometimes people will play later than that. But that's Mills. If you want the combo, you have to get in on the in crowd. People need to know you, and then you can get the combo. So we look forward to seeing you at Mills Park. Mills Park is pretty cool. You go in the morning early, and you can stay till the afternoon when everyone usually leaves and the wind picks up. But there's one other great place in Carson City to get pickleball games. That is the Multi-Purpose Athletic Center, or simply the MAC. I love the MAC. You can usually get a game at the MAC almost any day of the week. Again, early, as early as 7 or when they open, and then up till, again, about the afternoon, and then it might be hard to get games. If you're interested in playing a lot of pickleball and you're a beginner, I would recommend joining my WhatsApp group. To get on there, find me on Facebook, Instagram, Erik Buyers, Erik with K Buyers, and I'll be happy to add you to the WhatsApp group, whereby you can find games at off hours at the MAC or at Mills Park. I look forward to seeing you out there at Mills Park or the MAC in the future, where we can play some great pickleball. In the meantime, great pickling to you.